Hey, Dad.
Didn't I tell y'all not to interrupt me while I'm working in my new shop? Get out. All right, this is the calm before the storm. This is my old carport, which is gonna be turning into my brand new workshop. I'm getting this joint enclosed, all right? So I'll be able to have a little shop now. Like I said, this is the before. This is the before, you know what I mean? Before all the work gets going, before we break ground on construction. So we about to get a, right here, when it rains, a little bit of water collects right there. Let me zoom out. We gonna get a drain put in, all right? We gonna put a drain right here. So the water, and then run it out down, up under the concrete, out there into the yard, all right? So we ain't gotta worry about water running into the garage. We gonna build up look like a 2-foot brick wall right here to start. Then we gonna, frame it, and then the side is gonna wrap around this way and then back way, and the side is gonna match the grade that's already up there. This post right here, this post is gonna be replaced, so that it ain't no good. We gonna take that post off, replace that. Gonna put of course a garage door on the front of it, be able to open and close. It's one outlet out here, but I told him I'm gonna need, so I can work out here, I'm gonna need multiple outlets going around, and I'm gonna need some real good lighting. All right, gotta have that good old lighting. I need about 3 lights up there so I can see what I'm doing. So yeah, that's enough talking. The next frame over, you gonna see we gonna break ground. I'm gonna record it step by step, and I'm gonna take y'all through the process. All right, I appreciate y'all for tuning in as always, and let's keep it going. All right, so we getting there. As you can see so far, and I did all the framing, put the plywood up, built up a little barrier down there for the water. It's a slope over here, right? So they don't want the water to run up underneath for the plywood, so they built that up for me. All right. Now what's left to do is we still gotta get the drain. We still gotta get a drain right there, because like I told y'all, the water, when it rains, water collects right in this area. So we're gonna get a drain, run it out that way away from the house. And yeah, man. Then we gotta get some more gray siding so we can put the siding up all the way around here, all the way around back here. Man, we getting there, man. All right, so I'm gonna tap back in as we progress a little further. All right, cool. All right, back at the construction site. This is day like 3 or whatever, something like that. I'm losing count, but so today, you see they putting them PVC pipes under the concrete so we can have a run out of the water that collects right here. You see they busted this up. Put in the drain, so all the water that collects here go in the drain and run out in the yard. So they did a great job on that. Put up the paper that's gonna go in between the plywood and the side. Put that up today. Installed the door. You see what we got going on around here. All right, we already had that up, so no new developments back there, but Yeah, man. We getting there. We getting there. Let me walk on the inside. See what we got going on the inside. That's the door from the inside. All right. Added some more framing over here. Got that. Added that framing under the beam. All right, got it situated over there. Boy, that's sweet. That's sweet right there. All right, so everything's coming together. Of course, job not done. To quote the great Kobe. And we're gonna keep it going, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we keep pushing further along. All right. All right, another day of construction complete. Y'all see we got the door. We got the door on in that jump. All right. Got the door hung. Deadbolt. Got some electricity in this thing. All right, got some good skylight up there. Got the plug for the garage door. Garage door opener. All right, I already showed y'all the drain. Like that. Got all the downspouts hung back up. And as y'all can see, got that good siding put on there. Man, that looks good. That looks really good. Hold on, let me step back. Dang, that look good. See around the back. Oh yeah, we in the money, y'all. We in the money. All right, y'all. So we getting there. Shoot, when we get the I think when we get the garage door put up, I don't think there ain't too much left to do. I'm gonna do the drywalling myself, so we about finished. We about finished. Well, like I said, this is like day 3 or day 4 construction. I'm gonna get back with y'all. We're gonna continue going. We ain't not done yet. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when I have another update. Peace.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus. The bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. The moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash. Bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the...
Here it go right here. Finally got it all finished. And now for the grand finale. Oh, not grand finale, my bad. Now for the grand opening. Voila. Oh, aight. Oh, aight. Look at that. Look at that. We all done. So, the guys finished it up for me. Now, I plan on doing all the drywalling myself, so I'm gonna insulate it, throw the drywall up, and we're gonna be done. But they did, they did the hard part. I'm doing here. I showed y'all the door already. Got the light. Some good lighting in this joint. All right, that's the light over there too. That's just off right now. Got the lights from the garage door opener. You already know this is a Ford garage, so you know what I mean? No more Mopars will be tolerated. Got the bikes in there. But the bikes don't live in here though. I just got them in here right now because I'm actually about to, it's oil change day. I got to change the oil in the bikes. Change the oil on the old school. So I'm about to get to work. But I just wanted to show y'all the finished product, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. This is my new garage. I don't even got my tools in here yet. I'm going to have a little tool snap-on tool drawer in the back somewhere. I don't know if it's snap-on. You know what I mean? They're expensive, so whatever. I'm going to have a tool drawer back there. I'm going to get it right. I'm going to get it right. So that's the end of this vlog. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And as y'all know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.